Hello guys, my name's Ayan.
My name is Anaya,
And welcome to Ayan and Anaya family. So today we are gonna cook our dishes for New Year, and we will show you what is our cooking for today's video. So let's go. Okay, so here is our first dish. Just gonna cook pig's head. I think this is smiling. That, and there we go.
So,
Yes, and next we are cooking pancit bihon. Naya, cook this pancit bihon. There we go, Anaya's cooking it. Next is this for the pancit. Anaya's gonna cook that. Ooh, so yum. There we go. Okay. So later we will put the lechon's head into the oven, and we will just gotta put the pancit bihon into its ingredients. So, bye. Let's go. It's gonna put the pig inside of the oven.
There we go.
There we go.
Ooh. Beat.
There.
See you later.
See you later, pig. There we go. Next video. Next, taking out the baboy.
And turn it another side.
Turning it to another side.
60.
Ano ba yan? Mali-mali naman
Oh,
to.
wala na. 36.
Parang dinudukot mo na yung meron pa.
33.
Ay! Apat na! Mamaya! Puno na ako! Hoy, puno na! Ng hangin! Punong-puno na ako.
36. 34.